video here with Sprinterra. Today we're going to be talking about our upgrade program. So we're going to go through at a high level some of the highlights of the program. We'll talk through what the core areas of the program are and how it may make sense for you. So we'll go ahead and jump right into that. So first, a couple of highlights for the program. One is it's a comprehensive offering. So it's not just a piece of the puzzle, it's the entire upgrade puzzle that we're managing. This includes project management. This includes any preparation prior even to getting the sandbox up and running, includes sandbox testing all the way through to execution into production, as well as ongoing support in support of the upgrade. The second one is we have a full team of experts when it comes to upgrades. So we are your go-to shop for expert upgrade specialists. We have a comprehensive team of folks that have been doing upgrades for a very long time, have been working within Acumatica for a very long time, and have managed countless technical aspects of these upgrades in the past. Next is we have a predictable pricing model. So there are a couple of approaches. One, we have a set in stone pricing model that you can kind of put all of your information into for specific customers if you want to get pricing on a customer by customer basis. So it's a very intuitive pricing calculator there for on-demand upgrades. We also have more of a fixed fee type of approach when you're going to be working with us with larger volumes of clients. So either method, it's very transparent, very straightforward as far as what that pricing is going to be. Next is this is full visibility as far as our program. You'll have access to our customer portal in which each step, each stage of the upgrade is visible to you. That way, even though you're not involved in the day-to-day, you do have full visibility into where the upgrade's at, what's happening, what the next step is, and whether or not we're going to be ready for that final execution into production. And then finally, this is something that really scales with your growth. So if you're adding 10 customers year over year, 15, 20, if you're growing very aggressively, this is not something where you're going to outpace our team. We have a very large team of Acumatica experts who are well versed in our program. So this is something where we're going to be able to help you stay ahead of the curve. We're going to be able to continue to provide that seamless upgrade experience for your customers, even if you're in the earlier stages in your first 10 to 20 customers, or if you're much deeper in that life cycle and you're in the hundreds and hundreds of customers, we're going to be able to work with you and grow with you. Okay, and then also wanted to talk a little bit about the core components of our upgrades. So we'll have additional videos on each of these areas where we go into a little more depth, but we've got system integrity testing, which is all basic workflow. So this is a lot of out-of-the-box functionality, whether this is transactions, reports, things like that. We've got customizations, which we're going to manage, taking your customizations from version A to version B, and all of the ins and outs of that process. And also we manage ISV. So any ISV solutions that your customers have, we're going to manage all of that correspondence, all of that testing from top to bottom. So that's something that is also very important, is all of these major areas of your upgrades, we've got you covered. All right, and then the final thing that I wanted to share with you is our overall approach. And again, in additional videos on our channel, we could be able to see kind of more in depth into this, but wanted to talk through high level life cycle of an upgrade with us here at Sprinterra. So you're going to, from the very beginning, when Acumatica releases a new version, we begin our testing of any customizations. This is happening behind the scenes. This is happening in our local environments, and all that's happening prior to the actual sandbox creation. So we're doing technical validation. The customizations are being prepared, and we're doing some initial testing to make sure they're good to go. Sandbox comes out, we publish, we test all the customizations, we manage system integrity testing, we manage any of the ISVs to confirm everything is good to go. We take it into production where customizations are deployed, ISVs are deployed, we manage sanity checks, we make sure everything is working as expected. And then finally, we go off into ongoing support following the upgrade. You have our portal the entire time to stay up to date on where we're at in this process. And it is all kind of tied into one very comprehensive package that you and your clients are going to be able to benefit from. So with that, we'll go ahead and wrap this video up. Appreciate you stopping by again, and we'll talk more again in the future.